My name's Simon Hansford. I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Skyscape Cloud Services. I'm going to spend a few moments and explain the cloud infrastructure and architecture that we've deployed for the exclusive use of the UK government. I'm going to start with a few terms of definitions. We use the NIST, or National Institute of Standards and Technology, definition of cloud services. That includes infrastructure as a service. Think of those as VMs or storage on demand, paid for by the hour, by the month. Platform as a service, think that of the new paradigm where I can write an application and publish that to cloud service independent of the network, the storage, the VM architecture. And then finally, software as a service. Think of that as collaboration, email, documentum on demand, paid for by the user, by the month, or by the transaction. The platform has all been built with three keywords in mind. Scalability, allowing for instant scale of workloads as demand requires. It's around security for both IL0 to IL2, but importantly IL3 data that's been pan-government accredited. And then finally, at a cost point that one is just not able to achieve by deploying in the traditional manners. So let's go ahead and draw the architecture that we've deployed across our two data centres, one over in the west in Horsham and one over in the east in Farnborough. Those two data centres have been connected by our own diverse dark fibre that allows us to synchronously move workloads, applications, or data between the two data centres, or indeed for workload and application to be active across both data centres. Within a single DC, we have actually deployed two different domains. One, an IL0 to 2 domain, and the second, an IL3 domain, physically separated so that the IL2 domain connects to the internet via diverse routed tier 1 internet providers, so that the IL3 domain connects to government secure networks such as GSI and PSN, as well as others, RLI, N3, PNN, and other government networks, again, diversely routed between the two. If we look at what we've deployed in IL2, we've put a very large compute platform based upon the VCV block, which allows us to deploy tens of thousands of VMs, which again can be synchronously or active across the two data centres. Those VMs are backed up to a Avamar backup capability, and separately we've got both object and file-based storage using EMC, Atmos and Isilon. So by completing the diagram, one can again see that we've segregated between IL2 and IL3 and replicated across data centres, delivering a highly scalable quality architecture. Finally, recognising the government's digital by default policy and the fact that the citizen will be using web-based applications which occasionally will require access to personal data, medical records, police records, etc. Finally, we have actually built a bridge, bidirectional bridge, between IL2 and IL3, allowing an application based on the internet to securely, pan-government accredited, get access to IL3. So, in summary, what I hope to have shown you is that we've deployed a very high-scale, high-quality cloud platform across two data centres that allows workloads to be scaled instantly to deliver the availability required. in a secure fashion, pan-government accredited. Most importantly, due to the scale, due to the quality, due to the inbuilt automation that achieves this, we're able to hit a cost point that traditional infrastructures cannot be deployed at. And that's demonstrated by numerous projects that we've deployed to date in UK government, such as GDS, Home Office, Ministry of Defence, HMRC, where typically we're on record of saving between 70 to 90% of cost over traditional deployment methods. So thank you for your time. I hope that was a valuable use.